By following Lord Fuser's Cosmetic Bumper Repair Standard Operating Procedure, you will learn to prepare the surface for Fuser 114LG or 114SM application and complete the repair with a perfect finish. Before we begin, it is important to think safety first. When using seam sealers and adhesives, always wear proper hand and eye protection. The first step in any standard operating procedure is to identify and understand what type of repair you need to perform. If the finished side of the bumper surface is scuffed, scratched, or gouged and is not penetrated all the way through, continue with this cosmetic bumper repair SOP. The next step is to properly prepare the surface to which the adhesive will be applied. First, tape over the damaged area so that cleaner does not get applied to the plastic substrate, but the surface is clean to the edge of the tapered repair. Clean damaged area with Fuser 703. Then wipe dry and remove tape. Next, sand with 80 grit sandpaper. And blow clean. Fuser 114LG or 114SM should be used for all cosmetic repairs. First level plungers and Purge adhesive onto a beadboard, then attach mixing tip and dispense adhesive to the length of the mixing tip. Apply selected Fuser 114LG or 114SM and spread evenly. Tech tip. When using the spreader to fill the repair area with adhesive, draw the product down tight to the surface to prevent any imperfections as it cures. As an alternative, Fuser 132-133 can be used with the application of 602EZ. To finish the repair, sand with 80, 180, 240 grit sandpaper, or per your paint manufacturer recommendation, when selected adhesive reaches specified sand time. Finally, prime and paint per paint manufacturer's recommendations. For more information about Fuser adhesives, or if you have questions about our applications, please contact us through our website, customer service center, or social media platforms. To purchase Fuser bumper repair adhesives, contact your local Fuser distributor.